In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect a PX150 radar so that you get stop bar detections from a PX150 into a traffic controller. Each PX150 and field interface box is attached to the pole. Attach the short cable from the PX150 to your field interface box. Insert your outdoor rated 12 conductor cable through the strain relief here. Inside the box, strip each wire and insert it into the terminal block. On the lid we show a pin out with wire colors. When finished, close the box with the torque driver set to 7 inch-pounds to properly seal the box. Run the cable down the pole into your cabinet. Inside the cabinet, insert each wire into the terminal block for the DIN assembly. Install the other PX150 on a caddy corner pole, connect the short cable to the field interface box, and run its cable down the pole through the conduit into the traffic cabinet. Here we see a caddy corner installation with two PX150s. In the traffic cabinet is our DIN rail assembly. It has an AC circuit breaker and a power supply. It also has a 12-position terminal block, serial connector, and Ethernet connector for each PX150. This installation has two PX150s, so we see two sets of terminal blocks and connectors. Another installation may have one PX150. In that case, you'll only see one set of terminal blocks and connectors. Another installation may have four PX150s. In that case, there will be two DIN rail assemblies, each with two sets of terminal blocks and connectors. The cable coming from the PX150 goes into the top side of the terminal block. You don't need to strip the wires for these terminal blocks. Simply insert the wire and close the terminal block. The serial connector for cable -100-0011 will connect to the top serial connector for each PX150. For locations with one LRC card or 4 loops, insert the other end of the radar's serial cable into the in connector of the LRC card. Insert the terminator plug into the out connector. For locations with multiple LRC cards or more than 4 loops, insert the other end of the radar's serial cable into the in connector for the first LRC card. Insert the 6-inch jumper cable to the out connector for the first card and to the in connector for the next card. Insert the terminator connector in the out connector of the last LRC card. Once everything is plugged in, we turn on the power and we look for the blue light on the power supply to indicate we've got power. Plug a laptop into each Ethernet port on the DIN assembly to configure the PX150. After the PX150 is configured to communicate with the LRC cards, you should see a flashing red link light when the LRC is communicating with the PX150. The green lights will then light when vehicles are detected in each zone.